First thing you'll need is a smart device, and on your panel you'll have the app ActivCast. You'll also need the app ActivCast, which is a free download on your smart device. The first time you use your smart device, you want to pair it to your panel. You click Scan QR code and then simply hold your phone over the QR code and it will register to your device. At that point then, you simply go down to your screen mirroring options and choose the Android device. If it's successful, you will get a green bar along the bottom of the screen asking you to deny or allow the mirroring of your device. I'm going to press allow and I get my phone mirrored to what I have on the board. There are lots of brilliant augmented reality apps. The one I'm going to use here is Space. The Space allows me to choose any one of these and explore it in an augmented reality. I'm going to use this one here. How does a lock work? And press go. Okay. I'll point the camera down at a flat surface and place my augmented reality or jig. Gives you some instructions along the bottom of the screen. You can flick through these, and as you do, the augmented reality item will react and change. See the key going in there. You can go right down, people go right down and actually even look inside the lock. Okay. You can walk around the lock. And this is the same for all of the different items. I'll show you in a different one here of the heart. Again, select download, place your jig and have a look inside. Okay, and you can see it's really interesting. Zoom out here. Have a look inside. There are lots of other apps, such as the Measure app. The Measure app is on iOS 12 only at the moment and allows me to measure various things using my iPhone. I've got a desk full of items here. I'm sitting by tapping on where I want to start measuring. I can draw a line and give a very accurate measurement of the items that I'm actually showing. And even do the desk itself. This is really, really useful when you're coming to do topics like measure, which are so common in the primary classroom. If I want to get back to my normal panel, press my menu button and I press home.